Okay, girl. So I'm gonna start with my with the chicken and stuff you got going on over there on Google. But you gotta get you some eggs. Put you some eggs. Crack you some eggs. Ooh. Crystal left a legacy of beauty she brought into the world. To her faith. Okay. Cause you gotta dip the chicken in the eggs. Okay. So you're gonna. Wow. What? You're gonna season. You're gonna season your eggs. You know, season. Yeah, I told you the girl wanted the recipe how to make the chicken, but I don't do recipes, so I can just show her what to do. Okay, so I won't tell you this. Okay. Yeah, season your eggs, and you're gonna season your chicken. Season your chicken how you want to season your chicken, but you gotta before you do your chicken breast, you need these some big ass chicken breasts. See, like I don't know. I got this big old chicken, but it is what it is. This is some big old chicken breast, like it's huge. But you have to cut it. You have to cut it in half. You have to cut it. You have to cut it down the middle. You gotta cut it in the middle. Jesus. Cut it in the middle and then season it up real good. Hold on. Okay, so see, I done cut the chicken. You gotta cut the chicken in half. You gotta cut it in half, whatever. Now I'm finna season it up real good. Hold on. How do I turn this? So now my chicken is seasoned up real good. Now you get the chicken, right? Right. Flour it. Put it in your flour. Go ahead with the flour. Okay. Flour in the chicken. Then you put the chicken in the eggs. Put it in the eggs. Get it in a real good. Huh? I ain't see now. I couldn't reach. Short people problems, man. Okay, got the chicken out the grease or what? I mean, out the eggs. Then you put the chicken in the breadcrumbs. You need breadcrumbs. You get some breadcrumbs. Put the chicken in the breadcrumbs. Any flavor you want. Yeah, any flavor. Yeah. Breadcrumbs. Coat it on both sides, you know. Okay, now hold up. Let me do the others. I got the chicken all battered up with the flour and the breadcrumbs. Today is today. It's the night because they do birthday tomorrow. It's the night. Okay, I got my chicken seasoned all up and shit, like I said. Then you have to put it in the grease. But you can't let it stay in the grease for too long. You know. You just have to. What my other piece of chicken is? Oh, still in the thing. You gotta let it get brown. Let it get brown on both sides and then take it out. Because it's gonna cook in the it's gonna cook the rest of it in the oven. You know, so yeah. Okay, now we got the chicken. We done did the little brown in it. Now you have to get your marinara sauce and your cheese and your what is it? The marinara sauce, your cheese, your parsley flakes and your oregano, and put that on there. Hold on. Okay, there go the marinara sauce on the chicken. Now you go with your cheese. Cheese it up. Cheese it up. Cheese it up real good. The cheesier the better. Cheese it up, cheese it, cheese it, cheese it up, cheese it. Ooh. Cheese it up, cheese it, cheese it. Okay. Come on over here. Come over here with your parmesan cheese. Bloop, 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 bloop. Come on over here. Jesus Christ, I can't open it. With your parmesan flakes. Bloop, 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 bloop. Bloop, 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 bloop. Come on over here with your oregano. Bloop, 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 bloop. And that's it. Put it in the oven. Let it cook for like 45 minutes, and it's done. That is how you make it, and it's gonna be so good. And there you go. That's the finished product. The chicken parmesan. Awesome. It's gonna be so great.